As more and more students go online, communication and relationships are moving there as well. Not only is email more and more common among younger and younger children, but also dating apps are becoming one of the main ways that people meet each other. Now, there are many benefits to this, as people who you might struggle talking in person are able to connect online. But some of the drawbacks can outweigh these benefits, as children are with each other for the whole day, just talking all the time and never taking a break. So any time that there's any rocky patches in the relationship, it can be magnified. And any time that it's going good though, then it's even better because you're talking to them all the time. Now, our job as teachers is to make sure that kids know that it's okay to take a break from each other, even when you're talking online, and to know how to deal with and stop cyberbullying before it starts.